Welcome everyone, I'm Marco Zuppone, I'm a Sentinel trainer based in Cambridge, UK, and in this video I will talk to you about the Sentinel EMS custom reports and how to create them. This is the agenda for this video. First of all, a general introduction to the custom reports, what they are and what you can do with them, and then we will see how to create a custom report. The theory will be followed by a practical hands-on demonstration. If the predefined standard reports that you can find in the Report tab do not fit your needs completely, the custom report functionality is what you need to fill that gap. They are based on the SQL dialect of the EMS database. So if your EMS installation is on-premise, it will be Microsoft SQL Server. Or if it is a hosted instance, it will be MySQL. The output of a custom report can be CSV or XML. They are very versatile formats to cope with. You can even use reports to extract specific data from your EMS database and import in other applications. If you need more flexibility than a fixed SQL query, you can spice up the custom reports with parameters and lookup fields. To be able to define custom reports in EMS, you will need to have the EMS Advanced Administration license. So let's have a look now on how to create a custom report. The main prerequisite creating a custom report is to have clear in our mind what we are looking for and where we can find it. The EMS database schema helps a lot in this task, describing the tables that compose the EMS database and the meaning of their fields. It can be found in the configuration guide. If you can, try to run your queries using the SQL tools before to use them in the custom report. In this way, you can validate them quicker. If your EMS is a hosted instance, you can ask for the backup of the database to our technical support. To start defining a custom report, go to Configure and then Custom Reports tab. To access that tab, you will need a user with administrative rights. Defining a custom report requires a few steps. You need to give a name to the report. Then you need to enter your SQL query in the SQL query field. Note that not all the SQL verbs are accepted there. Any SQL statement that modify data like update, delete, etc., they are not permitted and filtered out. The custom reports, once defined, appear in the Reports tab under Custom Reports section. Every user that has the right roles to access the predefined reports will be able to use the custom reports as well. SunPowers is the system administrator of Globex, an imaginary company created for demonstration purposes. He wants to create a custom report to monitor the activities of the user admin in EMS. I now pass the mic to him that will explain us how to do so. I am now on my lab where I have access to Sentinel EMS 4.4. I want to create my custom report, so I need to log in with an administrative user. Admin is one of them, so let's log in. Now I need to go to Configure and then Custom Reports. Even before to press New to create my custom report, I need to have very clear in my mind what I want to get and where I can find it. So in this example, I want to get all the entries of the audit log where the user performing the action was admin. So where I can find it? If I don't know, I can go here on the manual, configuration guide, click on EMS database schema, database tables, and have a look for the audit log. Is this one, audit log. As you can see, there is an explanation of all the fields, what they mean, what type they are. So it's easy then to create a query for them. So I want to get all the entries of this table where the user that performed them was admin. And this is the field. Let's return to EMS. New. The name, audit by admin. This is the name of the report. The format I will be able to choose when I launch the report between CSV and XML. It is okay. The report is enabled and the query is the following. The name of the table is this one, where the name of the field, this one, equal admin. And I press save. Now, to launch this report, I need to go to the Reports tab. I need to expand Custom Reports, and I can find the report that I just created. The format that I want is CSV, and I press Generate Report. The report is generated, and I can open it with Notepad++, for example, and I can see that is a CSV file with all the data that I required. Thank you, Sam, for explaining us so clearly how to create a custom report. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you find it interesting and useful. Please stay tuned to our channel for further videos. Thank you and bye.